Yo, what's up guys, HexxInkworks here, and today I have another review video for you from no other than Mr. Serious, who have sent me a box so big it's hard to set the shot up properly. Mr. Serious is a graffiti apparel brand coming from the Netherlands, and from what I've seen of their stuff online before, they only seem to produce high quality, authentic stuff. So let's find out and open up this box. Although it's not really a product, I just thought it was worth pointing out how many stickers they've sent me. They've really hooked me up in terms of being able to decorate my black box and stuff, I'll tell you that. And the second thing I've picked up seems to be a cap. Just from picking it up I could tell that the cap was of high quality just because it's a lot sturdier compared to other 5-panel caps I had. According to their website, this cap is €30 and is simply known as the zip cap. It is a 5-panel cap made out of blue denim, which explains why it's so sturdy. And as you can see, it has an interesting and unique speckly fabric effect with a woven label on the front of it. The name is due to the hat having a small pocket on the side, which I think is weird for a hat, but it's still a good idea. The second thing I pulled out was a pair of gloves. These gloves are the winter version of the PU coated gloves I did in a review a while ago. Normally people just want gloves to protect their hands from pain, and typically this is all I'd want them for really, but these gloves offer a lot more than just simple protection. Now I'm normally pretty fussy with gloves as the feel of them can put me off a bit, but I really like the PU coated gloves. They were nice and light and you could tell you were wearing gloves, but it wasn't so much off-putting. Similar to the PU coated gloves, they don't leave any fingerprints due to the exterior plastic coating, and you have a strong, good grip due to the texture of the plastic coating. They're non-sweaty and reusable as well, of course. The polyester coating is mainly applied to the palm and the fingers, so that the backside of the hand doesn't have any coating, which probably aids in ventilation. Finally, the only traits that make these gloves different to the standard ones is the colour and the main feature, which is described on their website as a terry brushed liner, which you can tell is some sort of insulating fabric to keep your hands warm. The third thing I pulled out was an 18-pack shoulder bag, which is ideal for cans and lots of them. The bag is a similar style to a gym or duffel bag and is made out of a waterproof 500D polyester, where the main compartment is closed by 2 zips, which has 2 additional slide pockets inside the bag, which are then divided into smaller ones, therefore having 6 pockets, which according to their website are ideal for caps. Along with these pockets there's another big pocket on the top, which has also been divided into 2 more pockets which have velcro fasteners. To help you to carry the bag, there are 2 handles on the side of the bag, as well as a 4cm removable shoulder strap. Everything about this bag screams quality to me, and you can tell that this bag was made to last, as even the metal links for the shoulder strap don't appear to be your typical mass-produced quality. And finally, the last thing I pull out is this funky looking backpack. On their website the backpack is called the Mr. Serious vs Zed's Wanderer backpack and is €75. The backpack is a bigger version of their smaller counterpart known as the Go-To backpack, and the Zed's is just a collaboration with an artist, being a different version and colour scheme. Along with the typical tag, there is another little tag saying Mr. Serious presents Zed's, and inside it just talks about the artist and what he's about and why they've collaborated with them. They also have a Zed Kinos version as well as their standard black one. The main compartment is closed via a zip, but then can be folded down and attached via clips. This was the first time I've seen a bag like this and presumed that the flap was just for aesthetics, which I quite like. However, it states on their website that the bag's dimensions are 30 by 50 by 19 centimeters, but this can then increase to 35 litres when it's straight, so it seems that it just isn't for aesthetics, and in fact it serves the useful purpose of an extension. On the side there is a side pocket which has 2 netting pockets for smaller items, and to my amazement the side pockets also acts as a side entrance to reach to the bottom of the main compartment, so if you want something from the bottom you don't have to go all the way from the top. Along with this there is another standard front pocket which is closed via a zip, and there is also a compartment at the back which they call a mobile device compartment, which is effectively just a flat storage space designed for a laptop, but it doesn't stop you from putting other flat items in there such as a sketchbook. To finish everything off, the back and the shoulders are padded, and once again you can tell that this is just authentic quality. I've never even debated buying a bag as expensive as this, just because I'm more of a cheap and cheerful sort of guy, but you can tell that this is made to last with the quality of the materials it uses, the great ideas in terms of functionality as well as aesthetics, and just the great finishing touches such as the branding. And yeah, that's this video over and done with, guys. This has been HexxInkworks with the Mr. Serious unboxing and review. Peace out, guys.